Institute of Chartered Accountants. So we have our President Shri Ranjit Kumar Agarwal here. I request our Chairman Pramod Reddy to escort the President to the dais, along with our Central Council members, our own Central Council member Kota Srinivas, Abhay Chachil, as well as T.S. Sumar Mandela. Welcome to you. The theme what he said for this year is God Christie. We have a small AV on this. I request our AV team to play the AV.
Encapsulated within the process of the Chartered Accountants of India for the council year 2024-2025. Assuming the office as 72nd President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, CA Ranjit Kumar Agarwal, along with Vice President CA Charanjit Singh Nanda, anticipates his vision on the theme Drishti.
Off flight lamp.
That I am assuming the responsibility of which is not an institute, but over the last 75 years, which has become an institution in itself, and which has become the world's largest accounting body, and I am the 72nd president of this institute, which is the world
Actualizes a transformative journey, pulsating with innovation across the 7 pillars DRIS.
Listen to your profession, also trust and integrity in management reporting, auditing, taxation, and consulting services. Out of experience, I can say these portions.
ICER is extremely focused on adapting and upgrading the acumen and skills of our professionals.
Just called Startup Sphere. I request our Chairman to give a welcome address to the guest.
President ICI Shri Ranjit Kumar, CA Shri Ranjit Kumar Agarwal, and Central Council members CA Kota Srinivas, CA Dheeraj Khandelwal, and CA Abhay Chachil, and we also have our Regional Council Chairperson Geeta Abi and Secretary Kavita Parmeshwar. Most importantly, ladies and gentlemen of the media, it's with a great pleasure and honor I welcome you all today for this significant gathering for the discussion and the curtain raiser of the Startup Sphere. As the Chairman of Bangalore branch of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, I am thrilled to host this press meet in Bangalore in the presence of our esteemed ICI President. Today marks just not another event, but a significant event called Startup Sphere, which first time the branch is hosting. Here we discuss about the challenges of the startup ecosystem and the nuances. Rather than me talking it, it would be great our President gives the overview of it. Our President has been the forefront of our ICI evolution and advocating for excellence, ethics and continuing learning within our profession. Under his leadership, we have seen significant advancement and initiatives that not clearly only, but also enhanced our profession, but increased our contribution to a broader economic framework.
So now it's time to hear from our President, CA Ranjit Kumar Agarwal. So over to you.
Thank you. Our development first, then we will discuss how this program for which we have organized this press conference as a curtain raiser. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is a statutory body elected by the Act of the Parliament in 1949. We have 1949 to 2000. We have completed the last 75 years. This institution is working in educating the student to become a chartered accountant. Then we are regulating those chartered accountants who are.
Srinivas Kota, Chairman Pramod Reddy, and Chairperson of the region.
So this is something what we have been doing, as somebody asked, is a platform for all the stakeholders. So these things are not only in the city of Bangalore. I request all of you to spread this particular message to the entire state of Karnataka and also the entire southern region, so that people will come and participate. If you want more details, the branch is there, we are also there. We will give you the press meet and every week, if you want some more inputs, we are there to share with you. Please see that it will be circulated among all the people. Thank you.
The way here to help us promote this event. Thank you to all three of you. Our SIRC chairperson, CA Geeta AP, who is here, and thank you to you, madam, also. And all the who have been helping us and enabling this event possible, thank you. And all the members, chartered accountants who are here and then participating in this event, thank you so much for being here. And on behalf of Bengaluru branch, we thank each one of you for being here. Thank you.
चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ऑफ इंडिया है, जिसके 4 लाख मेंबर हैं और 9 लाख स्टूडेंट हैं। इस नंबर के कारण आज हम वर्ल्ड की सबसे बड़ी संस्था बन गए हैं और हम स्टार्टअप स्पेयर एक इवेंट यहाँ बेंगलुरु में लेके आए हैं। लास्ट टाइम हमने ये इवेंट मुंबई में किया था, जिसमें मोर देन $100 मिलियन का इन्वेस्टमेंट हमने अरेंज किया था थ्रू 75 इन्वेस्टर, एंजल इन्वेस्टर। इस साल हम ये इवेंट बेंगलुरु में लेके आए हैं, वेयर इन वी आर ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो यंग टैलेंट है, जो यंग पीपल है, जिनके पास आइडिया है बट उनके पास फंड नहीं है, उसको हम हेल्प करें, उसको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दें, उसके आइडिया को सुने। इन्वेस्टर को हमने बुलाया है, कंपनियों को बुलाया है, ताकि उन आइडिया को वो लिवरेज करके उसको फंडिंग दे सके। 27, 28, 29 जून को KTPO में ये इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज होगा, जिसमें हमारा टारगेट है 10,000 से ज़्यादा लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें, अपने आइडियाज़ को दें और हम उनको हेल्प कर सकें। ये इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की इनिशिएटिव है, इंडिया बीइंग द 3rd लार्जेस्ट startup ecosystem in the world, and we are contributing in that ecosystem.
Who's inaugurating the event?
We have called all the concerned minister, but since the government is not there right now, so we will invite them after 4th of June when the new government takes place. But all the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Information Technology, they have given their consent to be a partner of this event, so all the minister will be there.
पूरे हिंदुस्तान से कहाँ से आ रहे हैं सर? मीन्स नॉर्थ से या ईस्ट या वेस्ट?
कर्नाटक हमारा फोकस है, बट वी आर 175 ब्रांचेस अक्रॉस द कंट्री। आज इस इवेंट के बाद हम उनको एड्रेस करने वाले हैं, तो हम सारे लोकेशन से सारे पार्टिसिपेट को बुला रहे हैं कि वो इस इवेंट को आए, देखें और अपने आइडियाज को शेयर करें, ताकि हम उसके आइडियाज को वैल्यू क्रिएशन में कन्वर्ट कर सकें। ठीक है, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।